Yeah, good day, guys. Good day, my YouTube subscribers. Today I came with another course. I see you guys like the tutorials I'm doing concerning when it comes to recharge, like top up. You understand? Today I come with another tutorial. Like, if you don't want to recharge with zinc, you understand? If zinc is giving you issues, you can try this. I'll show to you today. You can try this. His name is EtopUp. But first of all, you guys should subscribe to my channel and also give me a good watch time, please, so I can get the strength to produce more and perform more videos. Okay? Yeah, the name of this is EtopUp. EtopUp online. Yeah, I think this is far better than Zinc. Yeah. Today I'm gonna show you guys on how we can use it to get top up, or we can use it to get credits online. You understand? Let me show you. Let me show you. Yeah, and this is more cheaper than Ding, but I think this have been in existence before Ding. It has been in existence before Ding. Let me show you here. It's already searched on my phone, but you can just go on your Google Chrome, say something like EtopUp online. Yeah, EtopUp online. You just go on your Google Chrome. You can see it here. Is the first page on Google or Yahoo, any search engine at all. You can see EtopUp online. You can send top up. That's, you can buy credits. You understand? You can buy gift card. Yeah, as this is the festive season, you can send your loved ones gift card. You can choose through the countries. You can see it have its app, Google Play and App Store. Yeah, okay, let's go with the step. Let's buy top up. Let's buy top up. Yeah, first of all, you select the country. As you can see, I'm from Nigeria, so I'm gonna go to Nigeria. Select, input my number, my phone number. Yes, 0906 91 I input my phone number. I select the operator I'm using. It's Airtel, Glow, MTN, or Etisalat, which is 9 mobile now. I go with MTN. You can see it's 10 USD, 5.6 USD, 7. This is their plan. Understand? This is their plan. This is their plan. Zinc allows it to go low as $2. So this is more expensive than Zinc. Yeah, but let's go with 5.6. Actually, I'm not gonna buy this. Yes, but I'm gonna show you the steps on how to do it. 5.6 USD. Let's go with it. Okay, now it says sign in with Google, Facebook, or you can register. Yeah, let's hit the register. Okay, you will put your email. Okay, I will input my email as the vivo at gmail.com. Okay, then you go to the password. You can just set up any random password. Yeah, but make sure you remember the password. Yeah, that's the steps here. After all this, you hit the register. Okay, you can see account verification. Check your email, copy the code. Let me go through my email and check for the code I'll receive. Okay, here goes the code. You can see the code 8050. Oh, I'm not typing it. 805098. Yeah, that's the code. We hit the verify. Okay, so I'm gonna sign in now. Use the Vivo at gmail.com. Password, put my password. Yeah, then you hit the login. Okay, you can see it. You can see it here. This is the price, 5.60 convenient fees. It's added this charge here, 0.45. Yeah, the good thing here, it has multiple payments method. You understand? You can see you can pay with your credits or debit card. You can pay with paper. You understand? You can pay with credit card. You can pay with paper. This is how it goes. If we want to pay with your credit card, let me show you. If you want to pay with your credit card, you can pay with it this way. Let me get my information. Okay, 5268. Yeah, this is a random card. It's a random card. Just trying it. I'm not sure I have balance on this card, but let me see. 4789. Yeah. I'm not sure I have balance here, but let's see how it goes. Yeah, 1026 CVV 703. Then the full name. Alien text. Yeah, I can just select any random address because this is a foreign debit card, you understand, a virtual card. I'm not sure I have the balance here, but let's see. You can see it's declined. I don't have funds on it, but you with your card you can try it. If you have money in your PayPal account, you can easily link it here and make a payment, you understand? If you have money in your debit card, then you can do something I did like this. You add your billing address, then you pay, you make the payments. Then they will let you know on your email that they have received your payments, you understand? Then easily you've received the payment, so you're good to go. Or you can also do through this way. You can still try and buy gift cards. Gift cards are coming soon. Wow. So they don't have gift card. This is why Ding is great and better than this. But Ding, let me say Ding, there's something special about Ding. Ding is customer friendly. Yeah, their user interface is nice, you understand? They don't do shitty payments on Ding. The thing is okay. So that's why I recommend you using Ding. But sometimes Ding declines some ATM cards and some debit cards because they don't accept, if it's for people in Nigeria, Ding don't accept NGN currency. Instead, you must pay through dollar. Or if you have money on paper, you can easily pay with paper. You understand? I'll still be researching for more ways on how we can buy EtopUp. You understand? Very easy and very fast. I'll still be researching for ways, but you can give this a try. EtopUp online. It's nice. You can give it a try. It's nice. Actually, it's very nice. This have been in existence before Ding. It's actually nice. I've been using it. Yeah, it's okay. Okay. So I will recommend you please hit the subscribe button on my channel, on my YouTube channel, Alien Text or Greenback Digitals. Please hit the subscribe button, and any question you come in or you have to ask me, you can hit it on the comment section. I will respond to you very fast. Okay, thank you. See you guys.